In order to complete the registration process, you will need your Loyola username and password. You should have received these in your personal email account. First, access the enrollment site by clicking on the Enroll button. You will be asked to submit additional personal details and information as seen in the video. When asked about your field of studies at the receiving institution, try to insert your core or main discipline, even though you are allowed to take courses from every discipline. When asked about the type of exchange mobility program, please state studies and/or your final undergraduate thesis. Once you are done completing the form, please click at the bottom of the page the Save button and continue with the enrollment. Accept our terms of the registration process of personal data. Once you have finished all of these steps, you may start choosing your courses. Here appears a list of available courses. Before completing this step, you will need to make sure that the courses you are going to select do not interfere with one another. If you have any doubts about the timetable of the courses, there is a PowerPoint presentation on our website, which has also been sent to your email. Once you are sure about your course selection, you are now able to start choosing your courses. We would like you to be reminded that you are allowed to take courses from different disciplines as long as your university has accepted them, and they will not collide with other courses. As you can see, you now will need to select the group of every course. It is important to know that in Cordoba, Group A is in the morning and Group B is in the afternoon. Group H can be morning or afternoon. Group A in Cordoba are the courses that are only offered in English. Courses that are offered in English and Spanish, or just English classes, will be labeled Group H. However, in Sevilla, there is no Group H. English classes will be Group B. Once you are finished, please click Accept. Then, request the insurance as it is compulsory and save the enrollment. You will be charged the total amount of 45 euros for the insurance, which costs 13 euros and the administration fee of 32 euros. As soon as possible, revise all of the information and confirm your enrollment. At this point, you have all of your enrollment information. Please do not close this page so that you are able to continue the process of the payment. At this point, click on Settlement of the Enrollment to have all the requested numbers. To do so, go to the Loyola website and click on Estudiantes and on Pago de Liquidaciones. Click on Aceptar with the visa. As you can see, you are now asked for some numbers that you will be able to find in the website of enrollment information. Please copy and paste these numbers and leave modalidad in blank. All in all, the total will be 45 euros, and the fecha de límite de pago, or deadline, will be stated also in the settlement. Please just copy and paste these numbers. Now, please insert your credit or debit card number and you will officially be a Loyola student. When you are finished, you will need to print 2 copies of the student sheets and sign them. Please print the student sheet and complete all of your data. These 3 papers must be handed in at Secretaría together with a copy of your passport or ID, a small photo, and a copy of your insurance. Thank you very much,